Laki is here with us. Our deputation consultant, Dr. Collins, our unit in charge here, our deputy commandant, Sri Joseph, and team. We have with us the doctor from Ten IR, Jatima, Dr. Vincent Mary with us, our Jatima, Dr. Vetsolo, our pastors, our NGPT, our media friends who are always there with us, our Ahia Kansop. On this observation of World TB Day, ekta duida kotha kobo karne yate hoti ase. To 24th March every year itu tu World TB Day thake aru thematic message ekta de. To itu salaga thematic message tu yes we can end TB ineka ase. To itu bujai dibole ase. Bishi salaga debi hodai awareness tu thake. To American sobi jani thakbo lagi. Tapi kita American itu World TB Day observe kore itu tu muhan sob jani lagi. Kita mana itu TB bimar tu it's preventable, treatable, curable. Itu TB bimar tu American ekjon logo lahibo karne tu itu tu prevent kurbo pare. Jadi lagi sekali tapi itu tu treatable ase, dawai khaile tu 100% curable ase. Itu cover dibo karne ase. Aru all in India 2025 tu we are elimination of tuberculosis. Itu tu hoi jabole ase. Itu karne amikan extra awareness. Itu kan treatment kan kiki facility ase. Overview of the National TB Elimination Program. Itu tu kobole aise. Aru bukan kita observe kore ase kole tu itu awareness digene. To kan aji aise khobor tu legene. To kan friends lo jabi, gor manu lo jabi. Na to kan society de lo jabi. Aru kun itu bimar ase kole tu treatment lole itu khobor tu ani ase. Ekjon itu khobor tu loi jaise kole awareness campaign tu hoise kole tu itu bimar tu ani khobor pare laga bimar ase. Tuberculosis TB bimar tu ekta puka lage Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Itu para itu bimar itu bacilli organism para ekjon ke lage de. To itu TB bimar tu puka tu kode thake kole tu lungs te thake de. Tade hawa para droplet infection para TB bimar tu pai. To itu puka tu to laga lungs te thake shiko debi to gauthi kashi kole tu itu bimar tu naam lao. When we एक दिन तो गाँव कंट्रोल में चुके इतु पोका तो एक्टिव हो आरो TB बीमार तो बुलाई जाए आरो इतु TB बीमार हो जाए तो किन्हें का जाने को बोले तो एक जोन बुखार तो सामने ही दिशा है वो खांसी थाकी वो खाबू मन ना थाकी वो ना आरो कमजोर हो वो पतला हो जाए तो TB आशने की बाबी के ने जाइने टेस्ट करो लगी TB मोहन lungs te bhi hobo pare gaw sob te bhi khadi nails aru chudi de TB poka do na thake dosra when we first to droplet infection ekjon TB thagi ne khasi kure ase kule to ek sal de 10 ton itu manu logo TB pai jabo na itu 10 ton to aru next year de aru 10 ton lagai do 100 people enika ekjon ke lagai di jai itu karne TB aji observe kore do itu to preventable ase curable ase itu to khobor ani di karne ahise ami kan dosra speaker kan bi ase takan do thematic message yes we can end TB itu to kobo hala the actual consultant bi ase bole bi ami kan ki kore ase itu to basics of TB to kobole ase itu TB bimar to oitra arai itu bimar to ase during Leviticus Deuteronomy kande purishi goile to itu TB to a disease of consumption of wasting disease. Israelites kanto jaine Egypt te thage dante itu bimar hi lagi kene itu to bimar to bishi purana laga bimar ase. When we in 1882 Robert Cox itu scientist to itu bimar to itu poka to discover koriche itu piche de ija topi itu bimar to lase hoibi ami kan to dawai kan bi bal bishi hoise treatment bi khata jaise itu karne kon hoibi itu bimar ase boile to ekjon ge kogene chaine treatment lobo lage to ekjon bimar hoise khasi hoise bole itu khasi kurine sputum moila olai na kumba tu butter boy itu loi jaine test korbo to for Nagaland na ami khan district TB center thake district 11 de district TB center ase aru 22 blocks khan de to tuberculosis unit koine ase aru itu test korbo jaga do age to designated microscopy center boy noile ajikali to diagnosis and treatment facility koine all over the state 53 itu do asade amkan district hospital jabo blocks kan de CHC kan jabo to amkan to PHC kan do kuma itu diagnostic and treatment facility ase to yade ki kore ase boile to sputum microscopy khasi korbo jaine test korbo to sputum microscopy itu kore ase itia to better facilities are upfront molecular test into to Korea. So into to test to machine para sabo ajibina van to anigene ase. Un hoidbi khasi ase boile to itu machine para sabo side go molecular test in ase. Sputum microscope the side to poka 10,000 poka thagile to dikhe. Hoidbi machine artically upfront molecular testing CBNet machine TrueNet machine kan ase ekta besarai thakile bi itu to duri jabo aru treatment to kina kore boile to 6 mahina 9 months to first treatment to bishi important ase 6 months to makan to fixed dose ase every day digene itu kan be sub free ase in 2012 government of India to TB is a notifiable disease itu to ulai diside aru 28 to gazette de itu ulai dise tamane itu private sector de bi jaine to TB treatment to ase government ke report na korile to itu private hospital bi imprisonment for 2 years itu ase aru TB ra dawai to sob free ase private de jaine to toi kinibo bolbi dahan report korbo aru pharmacy ko de kenya ase schedule H1 register thake tade dawai khan sob dekhine ami khan ke report korine ami khan itu mohan next board de reporting tade sob jaise itu gane it is a notifiable disease aru ami khan involvement to government hospital khan sob reporting to ase private sector de bi itu reporting ase private sector to 750 target digena as a patient from there tade to 705 2023 de reporting hoise treatment to kuma loile khatom hoise kuma to khase enka system to reporting to bishi bala ase aro ami kan achievement to 92% thagise from the private sector from the government sector patient ami kan 4,284 against a target of 5,000 itu to all over Nagaland iman TB patient na 4,284 to treatment hoise na 86% to notified patient
aji amikala principal director Dr. Riti Thur tai ahikena yate exhortation dibole nam dise kolobi Dimapur the office come official important come ekta thake agene tai ahibo pare na so I'm here on his behalf of the Department of the Health and Family Welfare. Ami GBC khushi paise jati made ki gere koile to ami jati made doctor first yada here to ami ase so ami bisi good memories bisi ase yate jati made aru ami laga posting yate thaga kande ami posting manu kan and then the medical team kan ekeloge kam kuriya tu itiabi ami laga memories de bisi clear hogine ase and poile titu ami thakya time de to itu dispensary para upgraded korigena subsidiary health center in the Kathakishe and itu about 30 years back. So here I am today again after 30 years or more. So it is with great pleasure that I'm here this morning in your midst, and it is on this very auspicious day, the World Tuberculosis Day 2024, under the theme, Yes, We Can End TB. And I fully agree with Dr. Collins because I was also thinking about instead of yes, we can end TB, I would also like to say together we can end TB. Dr. Vizukula and Dr. Collins has already overviews details the details of tuberculosis program importance significance and expectation and the commitment of this year theme. So I can today as we gathered here to celebrate World TB Day with the rest of the world, and as we stand together in solidarity with millions of people who falls ill with TB each year, and as we remember those millions, our loved ones who could not make it in this battle against TB. Let us take a pledge also in our heart. We have to take a pledge, but let us also take a pledge deep in our heart that to take the task of fighting this preventable and curable disease as our own individual responsibility, so that together we can create a TB-free state in the state Nagaland. Abikan sob yede ekelogede miligene ekjon amikan laga itu TB laga story tu jaigene manuke kwa aji hunia nisina jaigene kwa laga kantu ekjon jaigene next in your own family, not be neighbors can ekjon ke koi gene jaishi boli tu ekjon parabi bisi TB tu born koribo paribo. Itu gene aji amikala momonde aji para jailebi godi jailebi duty te thagilebi amikala laga sati khan noli family khan ke itu khobor tu janai thakibo ko gene monte rakhibi itu request kori ase. So with that said, I would like to we are aware earlier speaker TB is still the world deadliest disease, and in the recent years that TB laga case too has been seen that alarming increase in the drug resistant TB. Dr. Collins drug resistant TB to increase, alarmingly increase but abani kanke jani bole mon ekta kotha jani bole mon too. There are people abani kan na jani bi there are people health units, health team behind the curtain who are fighting round the clock for you and for me to keep us healthy and to keep us safe from TB. There are people, amikan laga team khan medical khan tu, abunikan na channel bi, hodai lati din abunikan TB, amikan ke TB na ho leke ne fight kuri ase tu, abunikan ke bi janai di ase. So aji laga din tu, it is also a day to acknowledge and appreciate to honor and also salute all our health workers, including those in the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program, the treatment supporters, the ASHAs, the CHOs, the TB champions, and everyone who are fighting tirelessly to end TB by encouraging, by educating, and providing treatment to the TB patients. Thank you so much. I would also like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt appreciation on behalf of the patient and the community to all the categories of health workers, whether it is here in the unit or whether it is state service or anywhere in the state. I want to let you know that your hard work, and your dedication towards the goals has not gone unnoticed. It has not gone wasted. Your hard work has not gone wasted. And thank you, medical team, from the directorate, from the districts, from this battalion, and all over the state. Our people need your love and concern. Thank you for the good job done.
This World TB Day coincides with our Palm Sunday. I also wish a very happy Palm Sunday to you all and wish that your hearts are filled with new hopes and your souls with happiness. Actually, my commandant really wanted to be a part of this program, but because of his pre-engaged program outside the state, he has to leave on Friday. First of all, thank you very much, Directorate of Health and Family Welfare, for organizing this World TB Day 2024 here at the Butland Headquarters, and also giving me this opportunity to respond on behalf of 10th NDPIR. It has been an honor to be a part of this program. I shared the program they attend Gurina, Bishi learn Gurisha. Akha Guria said, Amianla officers kan, Jawans kan, 10th IR lagi, Bishi learn Gurisha Gurina. TB being a disease with perception of highly contagious throughout and stigma associated with it, I hope that all our doubts associated with the disease have been cleared and benefited through this program. Ajibra amihan la TB laga disease lagas itu kiba debe attitude bi mohan la bi change kurina itu perceive kurbo guna umid kuri ase. I, on behalf of the commandant and all rank, extend heartfelt gratitude to Directorate of Health and Family Welfare for your valuable knowledge and awareness by organizing this program here at 10th NDPIR. As the medical department is on the track to reverse the spread, I'm sure all of us present here today are benefited. Aji kiman aigina mohan aji kuni luise amihan laga experts kan bra amihan la doctors senior doctors kan bra kiman kuni luise akha kure ase amihan sob benefit huise buina and will seek medical attention early, avoiding Google self-treatment. Ajikali amihan Google brahe bishi kiba hoise treatment bi, especially amihan chubai dibi olop matha bikai se Google brahe to matha bikai se ki laga se dawai itu laga itu avoid kurina amihan medical attention kiba korise bole bishi bhalo hobe with all the advanced and effective intervention and technologies for diagnosis, treatment and care of TB. Let us all have trust on our healthcare provider and seek medical attention early. Amigan so healthcare provider and doctors can now board bisas kurina amigan medical itu juldi bisari kina kiba kursu kure amigan TB itu juldi eliminate kuru parbo. Let us all join our hand and be on a move in this important fight under the theme, yes, we can end TB. Once again, thank you, Director of Health and Family Welfare, led by our Director Health. May God bless you all and wish you all the best as you continue to fight to eliminate this disease. Thank you.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.